Forex trading is an uncertain science. When we talk about the financial sector, of course, it cannot be separated from the calculation of numbers, including foreign exchange Forex. Forex is not just trading currencies. You can also trade a number of commodities, such as gold and silver, through a Forex account. You can also trade world stock indexes. Judging from the explanation above, I'm sure you think that without understanding financial theory and good numbers, we will not be able to trade Forex properly and correctly. Back then, I might have completely agreed with that statement. However, today I may only agree half of it. Why is that? Talking about numbers, we will be dealing with mathematics. When we talk about mathematics, we will think about the exact sciences. A simple example, how to increase people's interest to spend money. There are several ways that can be done. For example, lowering interest on savings. When the interest on savings is lowered, people will feel at a loss so they can withdraw their savings to be used. Then, it could also provide a lot of incentives. For example, the elimination of certain fees and taxes on a product. That way, the price of the product becomes cheaper so that people are encouraged to buy it. Do these two examples make sense? Let's try to take the documentation of the policy. First, regarding the reduction in interest rates on savings. In the picture above, you can see that the interest rate guaranteed by the Deposit Insurance Corporation, LPS, continues to decline. Then, what is the purpose of lowering interest rates? The answer is so that the money in the savings can be used productively. Does this method work? It turned out that, although interest rates continued to be lowered, the number of deposits actually increased. Once judged less successful, the strategy shifts to relaxation or incentives. For example, the property sector is given relaxation in the form of cutting value-added tax, VAT, to 0% as shown in the following screenshot. We can conclude that the policy of incentives or relaxation is successful, while the policy of lowering interest rates is not working as expected. Well, when you make financial transactions and investments, things like that are your daily food. That is, all information and calculations based on numbers and calculations still end in uncertain. We can also use these illustrations in Forex trading. When trading, analysis based on math and numbers still ends in uncertainty. This is often considered wrong by novice Forex traders. They usually believe that numerical and mathematical analysis can lead to certainty. In fact, however, this is not the case. We cannot trade Forex with 100% confidence every time we make a decision. Wow, this is not in line with the science of motivation. Every decision should be taken with full confidence, right? That's right. It seems, mathematics is the most relevant science when studying the world of trading. Moreover, in two-way trading, such as Forex and the futures market, you need to have a good understanding of statistics and odds. In statistics, we always admit that there is a margin of error. What does it mean? All data that has been successfully processed always has an error tolerance of a certain percentage. As for the science of chance, have you ever tossed a coin 100 times and ended up with the number side 100 times? This may happen if the coins tossed are not balanced. However, the possibility of ending up with the number side 100 times is quite improbable. Then, is it because the coin only consists of numbers and pictures, you will get 50 times the image side and 50 times the number side? The answer is also uncertain. However, there is a trend that is closer to 50 for the number and image toss of the coin. Isn't that probability theory? The same thing happens in Forex trading. You already have a price chart or exact chart on screen, complete with all the best analysis you've done. However, the opportunity to be wrong on the analysis is still there. Because, behind the certainty of mathematical calculations, there is error that accompanies it. Then, if everything in Forex trading is uncertain, will we end up guessing? Certainly not. If you are just guessing, you are not trading Forex, but you are gambling Forex.